Hello YouTube, welcome back to Show You How, and today I'll be showing you how to change your DNS servers on any device that you have. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, you want to make sure you have Google Chrome on your device. You can use either your phone or either your laptop or either your PC, whichever one you have. And once you have Google Chrome, just go over to it, all right? And you want to type in 192.168.1.1. And it depends on your router, so if 1.1 doesn't work, you may want to try 1.2 because some routers have 1.1 and some have 1.2. So mine is 1.1, so that's what I'm going to put in. All right, so the username and password is usually both admin, but if it's not, one should be admin and one is password. But if you can't seem to figure it out, just look it up and you should find it for your router. But both of mine just both admin. All right, and it logs me in. And I'm using Tomato Anon, so what you have to do is you want to click on the little three bars right there, and you want to find the basic settings on your on the settings. All right, so click on that, and you want to find network under those basic settings, and just click network. All right, hold on. All right, then scroll down, and you should see under the DNS server, you should see the DNS1 and DNS2, and make sure you have this on not audio, but you want to have it on manual. So put that on manual. And then you should see these two at the bottom. So you want to change these two right here. So for right now, I'm using the 1.1.1.1 and the 1.0.01. All right. So you can either use Google's is 8.8.8.8 or something like that. And the other one is 8.8.8.4 or something. All right. So you can use that. But I recommend you use these DNSs because these are the best that I use, and it speeds up my internet connection. But sometimes you have to change your DNS because when you keep going to the same website every single time continuously, some reason it starts to block it out. So then you just have to change your DNS. So yeah, just use these DNS like I said, and you'll be good to go. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it really helped you out. And if it did help you out, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe, and share this video to anyone that needs help changing their DNS server because their websites keep getting blocked or for whatever reason. So yeah, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified for every upload on my channel. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video so it can get shared to as many people so they can get their DNS server changed for any blocked websites or anything they need help with. Yeah, so we'll be back to show you how.